One of the reasons we did the whole renovation to begin with was there were 4, I call them like Roman columns. There was one here, and then one on either side of these French doors. This really opened it up, right? As soon as you took those columns up. And then on the living room side here, the actual structure didn't really change other than the light fixtures. And then of course the fireplace is significantly different.
And then this is the biggest change because we used to have the dining room here with a wall separating the small kitchen. To me, this kitchen is now matches kind of the size of the house. Before it was really small. Well, I tell you one of the features that I do love is this counter being a little bit lower than this counter because this was going to kind of be like the baking. I do like to bake, and then they even on this side, made some big drawers for like the flour and stuff.
I think the other thing was the island too. So the island we had before had three or four stools. Three stools. And so we have 5 kids, so it was important to have a large island. So we have 6.
Our appliance garage, I love that. It's so nice. You just pull it off the counter and it's ready to go. I love that. It's one of my favorites.
I think when you look at it, right, you've got everything pretty close. So even though it's a pretty large open space from one end to the other, I think it's much homier. So you've got the kitchen area here with the stools. We've got a family room here that we can watch TV while people are in the kitchen, and we can talk and communicate at the same time. And then homework or games or whatever's going to be, or even eating at the table here. So I think it's an area that's probably used way more than anywhere else in the entire house. So I think it was probably the most important change. I think a good example of the extras and some of the little things that they do to make a difference is that they found this in Canmore. Something that we would never have really thought about. Well, I think the proof is in the pudding, and they came in on budget. And it was a moving target for a period of time, and it was 2.5 months of a lot of people in and out here.
Everybody like that I talked to, oh well, you can't do it in that amount of time. Like you got to add another month onto that, and I'm like, yeah, I know. And I said that to Cecily one day, and whoo, she said, oh no, you won't. Most renovations, they go way over. Like something happens, or you get a surprise, and I don't know. They did their homework, and they were so thorough.
Well, hire.
Yeah.
Right? I think we were very happy with them.